Hi YouTube, this is gameplay second episode. I'm gonna show you my heroes and I need a quilt, so yeah, and after I get 10 subscribers I'm taking over one account. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that account here. These are my heroes. And I can't do anything, so I'm gonna do no. Okay, I'm gonna show you that account now. This is the account, like I told you, 10 subscribers, and this can be yours. After 10 subscribers, I'm gonna make a new video about this account and showing you heroes, how good they are, and stuff like that. After 10 subscribers.